Hello friends, thank you for your choice to watch this video. In this video, we will talk about an application letter. A letter, you know very well, is a very important form of communication. A letter, personal or official, has occupied an important place even in the world of emails and text messages. A typed or handwritten letter has been and is the most useful means of communication for personal, academic, administrative, and commercial purposes. It has been rightly said that letters have souls. They can throw light on the personality of the writer. This letter writing requires skill and it is considered to be an art. The modern man who lives in the world of emails, text messages, Facebook, and WhatsApp also needs a letter for effective communication. And you know that a letter remains to be a useful and important means of communication. I know you have written personal letters to your relatives or intimate friends. The language and tone of such letters are informal or personal. And so, you may be familiar with social personal letters. They are written for invitation, accepting or refusing invitation, expressing apology, etc. Such letters are formal personal letter. Here, we will focus on an application letter for a job, which is also known as an official letter. An official letter is an important form of communication effectively used in your search for jobs and in the internal official communication. Such official letters are written in a proper format. Your name and address, a recipient's position and address, the date, and salutation should be written at proper place. There is a convention about closing the letter with proper closing expression, and such letters carry a typical official language. Friends, a letter of application for a job is a very important letter for your future career. It carries your first impression to your new employer with whom you have not met or spoken. It is a letter of your introduction, so it should be written in a precise manner. Simple and effective language is preferable in such a letters. And remember, it should not exceed 3 to 4 paragraphs. It is a very important record of your writing style, so it must be written correctly and appropriately. Since your immediate goal is to obtain an interview by writing an application letter, and it is better to keep some points in mind. First, catch the reader's attention favorably. Second, convince the reader that you are a qualified candidate for the job. Third, make a request for an interview. If you are ready with all these things, then you may start writing an application letter. Friends, while writing a letter of application, you must have a layout of letter in your mind. It should follow some proper format or the structure, and that you should know. First of all, in the application letter, we have to write applicant's address with date. Okay. Then the next thing, that to whom you are going to write this letter, you may write the designation and the address of the employer. Friends, the next important thing, you may add a subject line. In the subject line, you need to mention why are you writing this letter or for what purpose you are writing the letter. So your subject line may go like this: an application for the post of a sales representative, or an application for the post of a teacher. Okay. Then you may also add a reference line. In the reference line, you need to mention from where you got the information of that particular job vacancy. Then start your actual letter with salutation. It goes like dear sir or madam, or respected sir or madam. Then you may start writing your letter. It should be into 3 or 4 paragraphs and not more than 4 paragraphs. The first paragraph should contain with whose reference you are going to write this application letter, means from where you got the information of that vacancy. And the next thing you should have to mention that for which post you are applying here. So mention these points clearly in your first paragraph. In the second paragraph, you may write about your educational qualification, your work experience, your hobbies and interests, your extracurricular activities. Okay, whatever you feel important for that job profile, you may mention in the second paragraph. And the third paragraph, you should now conclude third paragraph by appealing the employer to select you for that job interview. And you may close the letter. Okay, and the next part, that is the complimentary clause, where you may say yours faithfully or yours truly, and then you can then you have to sign there with your name. Okay, and the last part of that application letter is enclosure, means in enclosure you have to give the list of the documents you have attached with that application letter. So if you have attached a resume, then mention resume. If you have attached certificates of any job experience or your degree certificate, then you may mention that in the enclosure, and you may end your letter. This is the format of application letter. Whenever you are going to write an application letter, you must have to follow all these points, and you make it sure that you have mentioned all these details without mistake. Okay. Friends, here I would like to give you one sample of an application letter for you. So you may use this sample for any job profile. Okay, so just follow it. Friends, as I promised you, here I will give you an example of an application letter for the post of a medical representative. You may follow this sample to write any type of application letter for any job profile. Okay, so as I told you, you have to start application letter with applicant's name and address. So here I write imaginary name of the applicant. Okay, and you also mention your address. So it like goes is 27 Vasant Vihar, RK Nagar, Solapur. Okay, and you also write down pin code. Okay, and also don't forget to write date. Okay, it's date. Okay, it might be 20th of January 2021. Okay, after the applicant's address, what you need to write, you need to write to whom you want to send the letter. So to whom I want to write letter here, to the manager of Shivatara Medical Center. It may be Pune, and again you write your pin code. Okay. Next important thing you have to write here, that as I told you, subject line. So here I write subject line. Subject is that it is an application letter for the post of a medical representative. Okay, you write your post, so which post you are going to apply for, or for which post an examiner asks you to apply for. Okay, you may here may say that an application letter for the post of a sales representative, or you may say that an application letter for the post of an assistant professor. Okay, or an application letter for the post of marketing manager. Okay, whatever post you are going to apply, you may mention here. Then reference line. So here you have to mention from where you got the information of that particular post. So here I get information from a newspaper, so I mentioned that in the reference line, with reference to your advertisement in the Times of India. And also you have to mention date. Okay, so dated, it should be earlier of 20th Jan. Okay, so I mention here dated 15th of January 2021. Okay guys, have you got it? Okay, moving forward, now you should start writing your letter. So it starts with salutation, and I told you salutation may go like dear sir, dear madam, or respected sir. Okay, so here I start my letter with respected sir, comma. Okay, then my first paragraph. Okay, I would like to apply for the post of a medical representative. Okay, so and with whose reference. Okay, so I mention it as I mentioned in subject. I would like to apply for the post of a medical representative in your reputed company. Okay, in a reputed company, with whose reference. So I mention here with the reference to we took the reference of newspaper. So with reference to your advertisement in the Times of India. Okay, and dated 15th of January 2021. Okay, this should be compulsorily your first paragraph containing message in subject line and reference line. So you remember these lines. So your first paragraph should be like this: I would like to apply for the post of a medical representative in your reputed company, with reference to your advertisement in the Times of India dated 15th of January 2021. Okay friends, here I start my second paragraph. In the second paragraph we need to talk about educational qualification and work experiences. Okay, so here I talk about my educational qualification. um, I have, or I am, a science graduate. Okay, with distinction in chemistry from Sadhguru Gadage Maharaj College, Karad. Okay, okay. And again, you mention about your extracurricular activities or your work experience. Okay, so I also hold certificates of medical salesmanship and advertising. Okay, I have 8 years experience in this field. Okay, this field. I request you to consider my application and offer me an opportunity to serve in your reputed company. In this way, you may end up your letter by appealing the employer to select you for the job interview. Okay, so here is the complimentary clause thanking you. You should, y should be small and here should be the comma. Okay, thanking you, yours faithfully. You may also write yours truly, and you need to sign here, and you have to mention your name in the bracket. Okay, and the last part of the application letter, that is enclosure. Okay, so in the enclosure you may mention whatever you have attached along with this application letter. So here I have attached my resume, for a detailed resume, and second thing, I have attached attested copies of degree certificates. Okay, so degree certificates, degree certificate, attested copy. Okay, and third thing, certificate of work experience. Okay, in this way you may write your application letter, and you may convince the employer to select you for the job interview and ultimately for that particular job. Okay, Here I have mentioned applicant's address. Then I have written here employer's address, his designation, and address in detail. Okay, to whom the letter is meant for. Then I have written here a subject line, then a reference line. Okay, after that salutation, and then you may write your first paragraph containing the information from the subject and reference line. Okay, so be careful to mention for which post you are going to apply. That post you mention clearly, and with the what reference, from where you got the information of that particular post, you mention in the reference lines, and you prepare the first paragraph taking the help of these two lines. Okay, in the second line, you may talk about your educational qualification. Okay, so you talk about your educational qualification, even your work experience. You may also talk about your hobbies and interest and extracurricular activities. Okay, and in the third paragraph you have to conclude the letter appealing the employer to select you for the job interview. So here is the next thing, that is a complimentary clause thanking you. Why should be in small letter along with comma. Yours faithfully, yours. Okay, see it, f is also small, and after the faithfully you need to um, give comma. Okay, then your signature and your name in the bracket, and in the enclosure you have to add the list whatever you have attached with the application letter for extra information. Okay, for the to support your information. Okay, so here I have attached resume, it must be there. Then degree certificate, which I claimed that I am a science graduate. So to prove that point, I have attached your degree certificate. I said that I have 8 years experience in this field. So to prove that point, I have attached a certificate of my work experiences, like work experience. So in this way, you may prepare an application letter, and you may send it. Friends, I hope that you have understood it, and I'm grateful to you for watching it till the end. If you like my educational videos, then don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you once again.